When you're shooting a pistol, you want to get your strong hand as high into the back strap of that grip as you can. The reason for that is the higher you get, the easier it is for you to fight that recoil. Once I've got a nice high grip with my strong hand here, I'll take my left hand and just point it straight out like this, and then I want to just rotate forward so I've got a nice, almost flat line across the back of my thumb on my wrist, and you'll see that fills in the gap here on the gun nicely. Additionally, if I want to, I can reach down here and press the button on my light. If you're using a light, a lot of them have a lever or a button on the side, and it kind of places your thumb in about the right spot to be able to do that.